I love living in Saudi Arabia, and here are my two reasons why. Number one, affordable cost of living. As a worker here, I need to budget wisely because I send money to my family. With just 500 riyals per month, I can eat well and live comfortably. Example, the vegetable cost around 5 riyals in the market. Fish can be bought for 10 to 15 riyals, and there is also 20, 24, 28 riyals. A sack of rice costs 28 riyals, and that's enough for me for 1 month. Bread is only 1.50. Even luxury items like branded products and anything you like. Also, gold jewelry are affordable if you save up. Like, for example, these earrings of mine cost me 430 riyal. See, it's affordable for me because I save up money. And number two, safety and peace. People here follow the rules, so you don't have to worry every day about theft or crime. And if you are someone who prefers quiet and peaceful environment, then I will definitely recommend Saudi Arabia.